Are you mixing your personal and business expenses together? Here's why that is a big no-no. So you created an LLC, most likely, to separate your personal and your business, right? Protect your personal assets. That's why most people create an LLC because they want to protect their personal assets. But so often they nullify this by mixing their personal and business expenses together inside their business. Um, this is one of my biggest pet peeves, by the way. If you start commingling your personal expenses inside your business, you're nullifying that legal protection that you created in an LLC. So you might as well have not even created the LLC because it's pointless. And the other reason that I hate this is because you're not getting accurate information inside your books to run your business. You're commingling. You have no idea the profit that your business is actually making, depending on how you're entering it. And how do you make decisions based on that information that's not accurate and that's commingled, unless you're keeping two sets of books? So think about it strongly and in detail before you start commingling it, like putting a car on your business books instead of paying mileage to yourself. You can do both either, but putting the car on your business books, okay, well, now paying the loan payment out of your business books, if it's not really a car you're using for your business, you're jeopardizing your car. So, and I get the hardest part for me is you can't look at a profit and loss statement. You can't look at your monthly financial information and know the profit that your business is really making if you're throwing in all of this personal stuff. You have no idea. No idea. So I encourage you to separate. Separate the personal and the business and move money from your business to your personal account when you need to pay. I know it's an extra step. It's cool. It's a pain in the butt, but it's going to protect you in the long run. It's going to give you better information in the long run if you do it that way. Thanks for hanging out and let me know. I hope this helps and have a great day.